Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this dramatic smoky eye look. It's a very dark black smoky eye and it transitions to more of a brown. And my eye has been watering while filming this, so it's going to look a little bit different throughout the filming process. I've tried to fix the inner corner as much as possible on this eye, but it just keeps watering and watering, so I've just been touching it up. So yeah. And yeah, I still do really like it, even though it is kind of irritating my eye. So to get started, I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX. And I'm just going to be applying this over my eyelid. And I'm just going to be blending this out with a flat concealer brush. So you just want to make sure that you get your concealer all the way to your brow bone, just so you have a nice clear base for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette, starting off with the color Play and a fluffy brush. So I'm just going to directly apply this under my brow bone, just so it's a nice tidy color. And I'm also going to be mixing in the color Bare just directly under my brows for an even lighter color. So next I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'll be using the shade Sandalwood. Lightly applying this to the creases of my eyes, and I'll just be using a small blending brush for this as well. Then just using the same brush I used earlier, I'm just going to blend these together, just so there is no harsh lines. Then using MAC Fluidline in the color Blacktrack, I'm going to apply this to my eyelids as a base for the black eyeshadow. Then with the shade Cocoa and the same small blending brush I used earlier, I'm just going to apply this between the black and the taupe color that I applied. This is just to create more of a smooth transition between the black and the brown. Then with the shade Black Truffle, I'm just going to apply this directly on my eyelid and not go too high up with the color as well. Then with the shade Black Truffle, I'm going to apply this on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to also apply a little bit of cocoa as well to make it a bit softer. So now I'm just going to tidy up under my eyes with a makeup wipe. I'm going to blend it out as well if there's any lines left. So to get started on my base, I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Shield as a primer and just smoothing this all over my face with my fingers. It'll just give my skin a nice matte pore-filled look. Then I'm going to use the Liquid Light from Mecca Max and just apply this into my cheekbones just under my foundation. So I'm just going to dab this in with a beauty blender. Then for foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I'm just going to apply this all over with the damp beauty blender. Then I'm just going to go back in with my concealer and apply this under my eyes and on any pigmentation and spots in the rest of my face. Then with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and a little baby beauty blender, I'm going to apply this under my eyes to bake the concealer. Then I'm just gonna brush the powder off for the rest of my face, but leave it under my eyes to bake. So while I bake my under eyes, I'm just going to finish off my eye makeup by lining my eyes with the Smolder Kohl eyeliner. So I'm just going to apply this on my top and bottom waterline. So next I'm going to apply the Thick and Fast Mascara from Soap and Glory, and then apply some false lashes over top. So I'll be applying the falsies off of camera. I'm just gonna line my eyes with a liquid liner. So now that my eyes are done, I'm going to also highlight the inner corners of my eyes, but first I'll brush off the powder underneath my eyes and do a bit of contouring, blush, and then highlight my eyes with the rest of my face. So I'm just going to use the Bahama Mama bronzer and the same brush that I used to brush off the setting powder, and just lightly contour my face with it. Then with the B&H Cosmetics Floral Blush, I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So hopefully this kind of helps my eye makeup stay in place as well. Hey guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I had quite a few technical difficulties with my eye watering throughout it, but other than that, I do really like a dramatic smoky eye, and I hope you liked kind of learning a few tips and tricks on how to achieve this look. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like it, and if you want to keep up with the rest of my videos, also do subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks, bye.